It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to ItzSirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome to ItzSirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, we are doing another NPHC inspired nail look. And our organization for today is Kappa Alpha Psi Fraternity Incorporated. The colors are crimson and cream. So I grabbed some red and some white nail polish and design stuff so that we can jump into this look. So I am going to be using a red and a white gel polish along with this glittery red polish. And first I'm going in and I'm going to do the pointer and the ring finger white. And this is the first coat that I am putting into the lamp to cure. On the thumb and the pinky, those will be red, and that middle finger is going to be the glittery red shade. So using polishes that already have glitter in it, it's great for applying rhinestones or glitters on top because it's going to kind of shine through any gaps that you may have. So if you are trying to save on your glitters and your rhinestones, go in with a glittery coat of polish first, and it will make the application of your rhinestones and everything else a little bit easier. So after I pop those into the lamp, I'm going in with another coat of the white, and I'm going to leave this coat wet, okay? So I'm not going to put it in the lamp. And I'm going to apply some of that glittery red polish on the nail in some little dots. And like I told you guys in another video, that using the gel polishes, because you have that time to kind of work with it, you can get like marbles and different kind of designs. So doing these sets have given me an opportunity to kind of experiment with that. And I really love how this red and white marble came out after I get it with how I want it. And I did use a dotting tool to do those little squiggles. So after I get that how I want it, I just pop it in the lamp. And then I'm going in with another coat of the glittery polish and the red. And for this set, I was going to do some marble with the white on top of the red, but I decided not to. I just went ahead and cured them. And I'm going to do some rhinestones around the cuticle area for all of these. And for that first nail, I think I kind of had that uncured problem again. So I just added a little top coat so that I can apply my cuticle rhinestones. And then I'm going to pop them back into the light. So for the marble nails, I decided to put my rhinestones in a alternating fashion from red to white. But on the red nails, I did all white rhinestones. So doing little simple things like that, you know, changing up the pattern, changing up the design, can help your sets be a little different and unique. And I can't wait to try this marble look on my actual nails. I do want to try out the Beatles kind of a spray dupe with the, you know, where you apply the gel tips and all of that. I have one of those sets that I got from Amazon, so the next time I do my nails, I'm going to do that. And I think I want to try one of these marble designs. So put in the comments some colors that you guys think that I should do for that. Some colors that you think will look great in a nice marble. And for the top coat, I'm using the Beetles top coat. I do have some other top coats that I have showed you guys in those swatch videos. So if you haven't seen all of my Beetles swatch videos and a couple of other companies, I can't remember their names right off the top of my head, but definitely check out those swatch videos because those are the polishes that I am using in these videos. So after I get all of the rhinestones around the cuticle area, of course I'm going to put them into the lamp. And look at this red and white set, okay? So put in the comments if you are a fan of red and white and you would rock this set, okay? Let me know that in the comments. I love the red and the white marble. It is just so pretty. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Definitely share this video, okay? We are on our way to reaching some subscriber goals, so definitely subscribe. I do have some giveaways planned when we hit some markers, so definitely share the videos so that our channel can continue to grow. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And it's a wrap. I will see you guys in the next video.
It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to ItzSirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like and just sit back.